Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to properly wash your face. Start by putting your hair up so that it is out of your face. Now we're going to grab our first cleanser, which will be a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm. I'm using the Stone Crop Cleansing Oil from Eminence Organic Skincare. I just do one pump of it into my hands and I just rub it around a little bit just to warm up the product. Then I apply it evenly everywhere and then start massaging it into my skin. The reason you do it dry first is because oil attracts oil, so it's going to bind to anything you're wearing on your skin. So whether that's makeup, sunscreen, sweat, excess oil, dirt, anything like that, the oil is going to bind to it. I love this method for removing my makeup and sunscreen because I find that it's the most effective at getting everything off without causing any damage or a tearing on the skin. So just keep working it in circular motions until you've hit every area and until everything starts to feel loose. So then go and grab some water and massage it into the skin again. So the reason that you now add the water is because when you mix water and oil together, what happens? The oil floats on top of the water, right? So this is going to create a lifting action to lift off all that makeup, sunscreen, sweat, everything that was sitting on your skin, to lift it off of your face. Work in circles for about 30 seconds or so and keep reaching back for more water, just kind of as needed. You'll notice that it turns into a milky consistency. Now grab a warm wet cloth and use that to remove the makeup and all that sitting on your skin. Make sure that your cloth is clean. That is super important just for the cleanliness of the face. And just use gentle pressure. Make sure you are being thorough in your removal and not leaving any traces behind. Now it's time for the second cleanse. I am trying a sample of the Clear Skin Probiotic Cleanser from Eminence Organic Skincare because I have been breaking out recently. So just grab about like a quarter size amount of product. Reach back for some water, mix it together. Kind of warm it up in your hands, kind of activate it, and then work it around your face. I like to spread my product everywhere first and then go back and do specific areas. This is just what I always do in the treatment room as an esthetician, and I find that it just makes most sense to spread the product around first and then go back into specific areas and really deep clean and work those areas. Which again, we are just doing small circular movements. Keep reaching back for more water as needed. A general rule of thumb when it comes to how long to cleanse your skin for is spend about the same amount of time cleansing your face as you would brushing your teeth. So you don't want to rush through this part. You want to make sure that you're really getting a thorough cleaning. And again, why double cleansing is so effective is because by removing all of that gunk on your skin first, your second cleanse is able to clean your skin itself. If you're just doing one cleanse, you're pretty much just smearing around your makeup, your sunscreen, all of that, and not really cleaning your skin itself. So that's why I highly recommend double cleansing. It's going to help with clogged pores, hydration, cleanliness of your skin. Really, it addresses like everything. Everybody should double cleanse. When you're done, rinse off in the sink and then use the opposite side of your cloth to remove the remaining residue. You want to make sure that you're using the opposite side of the cloth because you don't want to use the dirty part right on your face. A little trick that I like to do is I like to only wet a corner of the cloth so that I can really maximize the whole cloth. So you can see this part is dry. I'm going to use that to pat dry my face. So that is how you properly wash your face at home. I hope this has been helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, and comment anything you learned. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!